The V12 engine, naturally aspirated, has been the core of Lamborghini's top models since 1963, with only 2 designs produced for super sports cars. The first, a modified racing engine for road use, was created by Giotto Bizzarrini and debuted in the 350 GT. The second engine, built from the ground up but keeping main technical concepts unchanged, was introduced in 2011 with the Aventador, marking a technological advancement for the company with higher power and reliability. The first engine underwent multiple modifications and evolutions throughout its life to boost power, and later to greatly reduce fuel consumption and emissions. From 1963 to 2010, it was used in various positions. Initially, it was placed in the front of the 350 GT, 400 GT, and the Espada, made with aluminum cylinder heads, crankcase, and pistons to reduce weight to 232 kilograms. Later it was repositioned in a rear mid-engine layout, rotated 90 degrees to a transverse orientation in the Miura. Subsequently, it was rotated another 90 degrees to a longitudinal rear mid position, beginning with a Countach, to improve weight distribution. As the engine size grew, from 3.5 liters in the 350 GT to 6.5 liters in the Murcielago, reducing the engine weight became increasingly important. To achieve this, new materials and technologies were implemented to lower the engine in the chassis. Currently, the V12 powers Lamborghini's Aventador CN and Countach LPI 804, as well as the Espada SCV12 track day car, producing 830 horsepower. Lamborghini says it will unveil the Aventador Successor in the first quarter of 2023, having already confirmed it's going to be fitted with an all-new V12. The combustion engine will be part of a hybrid powertrain, and the Italian exotic marque intends to also partially electrify the Urus and Huracan replacement by 2024. A pure EV is scheduled to arrive later this decade with a 2+2 layout, 2 doors, and a raised suspension.